Hello YouTube, new notification here. Bought a pack of the 2013 Prestige Football by Panini. A little late, it was released back in June. I actually have not bought a box of these yet. So I'm going to open these up, see what we get. In the corner of this, you get free bonus pack. Wow. And you've got micro edge inserts, participants picks. They actually have the logos on them. So I guess they've got their NFL licensing. 2, 6, 8 packs. Alright. Let's just take a look here and see if we got anything that looks like it might have 2 possible packs. We're just going to open them one at a time. Let's see what we get. This one looks like it has a thick card in it already. I looked at some of the rack packs, did some folding on those, didn't really find anything out of those. Hard to see in there. Let's see what we get. We got Charles Tillman, Mercedes Lewis, Des Bryant, Clay Matthews. We have NFL draft picks, Andre Hopkins. This is not a numbered card, but it is an insert. So that's cool. Alright, we got rookie Mr. Ryan Nassib, David Wilson, Devontae David, Deshaun Jackson, and Mike Wallace. These cards are hard to read upside down. Let's see what we get here. We got Mr. Matt Ryan, Calvin Johnson, C.J. Spiller, and good 3 cards right off the bat. Aaron Foster. We have Aaron Foster. This is a Stars of the NFL. Insert also. Rookie, Mr. DeAndre Hopkins, Ryan Kerrigan, Sam Bradford, Stephon Ridley, and Vernon Davis. Let's take a look at that. Stars of the NFL. Rookies, SP rookie autographs, extra points, draft city destinations, draft pick card, draft pick tickets, prestigious pick cards. It's not platinum or black because those are numbered. Let's see if we can find Stars in the NFL, prestigious picks, tickets autograph, passport inserts. Oh my gosh, how many more insets we got in this? I didn't look at this one before I started. Turning Pro, draft materials, fantasy team, inside the numbers, Stars of the NFL. It's just a bunch of the Stars of the NFL, no numbered cards. Alright, next pack. And we have Miles Austin, Jackie Rogers, Devin Hester, Justin Blackman, Trent Richardson, good card, rookie Mark Barkley, Daniel Thomas, Daryl Richardson, Drew Brees, Sidney Rice. Okay, nothing special in that pack. Looks like every pack has a rookie though. 3 packs, 3 rookies. We have Fred Jackson, Owen Daniels, Lance Briggs, Dwayne Bowe, Le'Veon Bell, extra points, not numbered. We have Sean Warner, rookie card, Patrick Willis, Brandon Myers, Jake Locker, and Jeremy Macklin. So extra points rookie, Le'Veon Bell. Alright, Maurice Jones-Drew, Joe Hayden, Roddy White, Ryan Broyles. This is an insert also. This is the ticket. Terrence Williams, NFL Passport. I don't know if you can see it. Not numbered. Insert definitely. Rookie, Mr. Kenny Vaccaro. Golden Tate. Bilal Powell. Jared Cook. And Rob Gronkowski. Alright, we have Brandon LaFell, T.Y. Hilton, Jermaine Gresham, Carson Palmer. This is Marcus Hunt, extra points, autographed. Marcus Hunt, Bengals, extra points, autographed. That's cool. It's not a numbered card, just an autograph. Alright, rookie Denard Robinson, Sean McCoy, Dustin Keller, James Laurinaitis, Marquez Colston. That's pretty cool. Got an autograph. Alright, we got Andy Dalton, Jonathan Baldwin, DeMarco Murray, Sean Witherspoon, and Macom Sue, still don't know how to say his name, Mike Leslie, rookie, Aaron Hernandez, lots of news, Anquan Bolden, Mark Sanchez, and Kenny Britt. Alright, last pack. Marcus Hunt, rookie card, autograph, that's cool. Okay, we got Tony Romo for the Jones, Mikael LaSure, Scott Chandler, J.J. Watt, rookie Chris Harper. We have Lance Moore, Marshawn Lynch, Jeremy Curley, and Sean Green. Okay, that's my Prestige box opening. It looks like out of 8 packs, I got 5 inserts. One of them being a rookie card autograph of Marcus Hunt. And we have extra points. Rookie Le'Veon Bell. None of the cards are numbered. Serial numbered. So this is just a it's a refractor. Let's look at extra points real quick. That's a passport autograph. Passport. NFL insert passport. Prestigious picks. Draft tickets. Draft picks. Just the destinations. Extra points. Blue, extra points red, and then parallels. So this would have to be an extra point blue and extra point blue. Interesting. Autograph cards. Alright, well that's my box. Thanks for watching.